Hi guys, welcome back. In this video here we're going to start reassembling the head. So all the parts have been cleaned and ready to go back in, so let's get started. Just put a bit of tape on the face here just to protect it. So let's get started. So we'll start by putting the valves in. The old spacer. Put a bit of tape to hold that in there. So, spring on. Put the O-ring on. Or seal. And there's one done. So let's move on with the other 11. Oil seal. And there we go. Just put the next two in, same process again. Just line it up. And there we go. Another one done. So guys, finished putting all the valves in and springs. They're all in place now. Just going to finish off assembling the top part of it now. So just with these here, they do have arrows. They're supposed to go on one way. If you took your notes before like I did, basically the arrow faces towards the exhaust ports, so make sure they go back on the same way like that. So the arrow's facing that way, the way it should. I just like to put a bit of oil on the thread. And I like starting the bolts up all by hand, just in case you feel a bit of pressure or so forth. You don't put a wrench on it just yet. and just snug them down for now. Arrow again, facing that way, forward. So guys, that's it. I've left them loose. They're only hand tight because I'm going to have to remove them to get the rods in afterwards. That's it for this video, guys. I'm going to keep moving forward on the engine block now and start some work on that. So one job done, a couple more to still do. See you in the next one. Cheers.